We'd like to introduce you to the cutting-edge PDF mortgage editor. We'll take a walk through the editor with you, so you'll be a bit more comfortable when you use it on your own. Something to keep in mind when you start. We've created a system that remembers what you do, allows you to use any of the information from the file with a click of a mouse, and create templates as you complete a mortgage file. Now that you're ready to create your mortgage, you can access the general PDF editor page in three ways. You can access the PDF editor by clicking on the Create button attached to the Prepare Lender Documents dashboard step in the Progress dashboard. You can also access the PDF editor by clicking on the Lender Documents button in the Documents action. You can also access the PDF editor by clicking on the Prepare Documents button in the New Mortgages action. The layout of the general PDF editor is as follows. The left-hand side of the screen is where you select the lender and the document you'd like to edit. The center of the screen is where your produced documents will appear. The right-hand side of the screen is where you can mark the Prepare Lender Documents dashboard action complete. After you've arrived at the general PDF editor page, you will need to select the lender for which you would like to prepare documents. You do this by clicking the Please Select button on the left-hand side of your screen. If you've created a lender in Prolegis, you'll be able to click on that lender. You can now either upload the PDF you'd like to edit or select a PDF that is already in Prolegis' database. For either upload or select, when you modify the PDF, Prolegis remembers your changes, so you do not need to make them again on a future file. To upload a file, click the Upload or Select button and choose Upload. Type the name of the file you will be uploading, then either drag and drop the file on the upload bar or click Choose to upload the PDF. Click Upload to begin editing the PDF document. To select a file, click the Upload or Select button and choose Select. To see if the mortgage you are looking for is present, click the Please Select button beneath the warning use and scroll through the documents to select the document applicable to your matter. Once located, click on the file. Click Upload to begin editing the document. We've organized the information from your file to the left of the document you'll be working on. If you know what you're looking for, whether it's the type of field or the name of a person you are looking for or the beginning of the legal land description, begin typing in our search bar and you will automatically be brought to the field you are looking for. We've got some standard pieces of information grouped and frequently used. Things like check marks, not applicable, today's date, locations, and trust information for your firm. You'll find the information from the purchase contract, the tax certificate, the lawyer and assistant assigned to the file, title and fire insurance information, and information on the witness and the appointment in the contract group. The terms and information about the mortgage is found in the lender group. All information pulled from the land title, including registrations, is in the title group. You can add a signature and image to your PDF from the Images group. If you need a text box, click on the Custom Editable Text button and drag the field to your document. Once you've located the field you'd like to place, you click, hold, and drag the field to the place you'd like it to be on your document. The field places the top left-hand corner of the box at the cursor when you release your click. When you place your field, you can use the automatic wrapping, or you can click the Enable Text Wrapping box to manually resize your field. Once you've enabled text wrapping, click and hold the square in the bottom right-hand corner to resize the field and release when it is the size you would like. To move your field once it has been placed, click and hold the target on the top left-hand corner of the field and drag your mouse to the location you would like the field to be. To delete a field, click on the red X on the top right-hand corner of the field. The default font for that field is the default font for your firm. You can see the default font for the document in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. To modify the font of one single field, on the ribbon on the top of the screen, click the Select button next to Font and select the font you would like for your field. To change the size of a single field, on the ribbon on the top of the screen, click the button next to Size and select the desired size for the field. If your field is a number and you would like to add a $ or percentage or thousand separator, on the ribbon on the top of the screen, click the button next to Number modifier and select your preferred format for the number. If you would like to cover an area of the PDF, click and hold the box field and drag it to the desired location. Once in the desired location, to change the color, on the ribbon on the top of the screen, click the button next to Color and select your desired color. To resize the box, click and hold the square on the bottom right-hand corner of the box and move your mouse to change the size. To move the box, click and hold the target on the top left-hand corner of the box and move your box to the desired location. To delete the box, click the red X on the top right-hand corner of the box. If you would like to strike out text on the PDF, click and hold the line field and drag it to the desired location. To resize the line, click and hold the square on the bottom right-hand corner of the line and move your mouse to change the size. To move the line, click and hold the target on the top left-hand corner of the box and move your line to the desired location. To delete the line, click the red X on the top right-hand corner of the box. Being able to control when your fields are going to appear in your mortgage is key to quickly completing your mortgage. You can set up your mortgages so that going forward, the system will recognize and adjust the document for dower, variable or fixed interest rate, high ratio loans, and multiple witnesses. Once conditions have been set up in a document, Prolegis will use the information from your file to automatically produce your mortgage according to your preferences. To make a field conditional, click on the field. To the right of the field, a button that says Select Condition will appear. Click on the button and select the type of condition you would like to set. Prolegis remembers the fields you place on your mortgage documents. When you create a future mortgage and Missing is included in the field, that field has not been entered into the current file. After you've placed the fields you would like placed on your mortgage, you can click the Continue button located on the top right-hand corner of the editor screen. Now on the production screen, you can change the font for the fields included in the mortgage. You can also select the pages that will be produced from the mortgage. Or, if there is additional editing required, you can click on the mortgage and you will be taken back to the editor. Now that the document is ready for production, click Generate to create the PDF. You will be taken to the General PDF Editor page. In the center column, you will see a list of the mortgages produced on the file. To see the mortgage, click on the name of the mortgage you've produced, and the PDF file will open. After you've produced the PDF of the mortgage, you can edit the placement of the fields in the mortgage and the content of those fields. To edit the mortgage from the General PDF Editor page, click the blue pencil next to the document you'd like to edit. You'll be taken to the production screen. Simply click on the document to begin editing.